favorite performance from the entire week was...
Every interaction I've had with the USA has been an amazing experience, whether it's just an inquisitive phone call or the couple of times my wife's had to make an insurance claim.
I had to file a renter's insurance claim with USAA one time.
This is a national test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Broadcast and cable operators in your area have developed this system in voluntary cooperation with FEMA, the FCC, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this national test of the emergency alert system.
Not for sale tour. Enter to win now at kdat.com.
Hi, this is John Bon Jovi.